What is up, party people? My name is Darrel, and today we're going to build a website in 10 minutes using the fastest and cheapest method possible. Now, a lot of new subs on my channel always want to know how to build a website very fast and very quickly without spending a lot of money. Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. And we're not doing the Wix thing, okay? We're not going to spend $30 a month, $40, and we're not doing the Shopify. We're not going to spend $300 a month. We're going to spend a one-time low fee for the entire year to get your website up and running. In fact, you're going to have tons of templates to get you started in this video. So you're gonna get tons of beautifully free design templates for you. These are like 5-6 page templates, very beautiful. And we're gonna be using a drag and drop builder, like super easy to learn. Our amazing courses start at 60 bucks. And here you can just drag and drop. So I'll talk more about this as we go. But for those of you who are new and you really want to start a website fast and quick, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, we're literally going to do this in under 10 minutes, and you can follow along. It's very simple. Now, in this video, we're going to be using the #1 fastest and the most recommended hosting company. We're going to be using SiteGround.com. Now, in this video, I'll also be providing you all with a 70% discount off your hosting. Now, SiteGround.com powers more than 1.7 million websites. They have a 24-hour customer phone line, so you can call them any time of the day. If you wake up at 4 a.m., you can give them a call, and they also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's pretty hard to beat. In fact, I recently tested SiteGround against 14 different other web hosting companies, and they came out as top 3 as the most fastest and the most reliable. So they beat HostGator, they beat GoDaddy, they beat InMotion Hosting, they beat iPage. They are fast, and they also had 100% uptime. So you don't have to worry about your site going down. I know that's really frustrating when you go to your site and nothing's there, And also, they're officially recommended by WordPress.org. So you're getting a reliable company. This isn't some video where they're like, go to my website and click on the link and this will get you hosting. Like, no, we're going to do everything the right way. We're going to go to get a good host, and we're not going to go to some scammy website or your buddy's website. We're going to be doing things the right way. So there is a 70% discount for you in the link in the description below. We will need to go to my affiliate website, darrelwilson.com. SiteGround70. There is a link in the description below. This will get you the 70% discount off your hosting. And again, remember, this is a one-time fee for the entire year. So if you're ready to get started, if you're really ready to start your website today, and you want tons of beautifully designed templates, and you want good hosting, you don't want to pay monthly and all that crap, trust me, I've been there. We're going to go ahead and get started. So this is the page we brought to. There is also a link in the description below to this page. And right here, we have different plans. Now, in all my videos, you can look at my past videos. They're like 3-4 hours. Everyone chooses the Grow Big because with the Grow Big option, you get unlimited hosted, unlimited websites rather than just a single website. So you might want to make more websites later, right? That makes more sense. So right here, I'll click on Order. And then here, we're going to choose a domain. So I'm going to do fast websites 567. I'm signing up just like you are. So I'm just going through the process and showing you exactly what you have to do to get a new domain. So right here, you're going to go ahead and put in your email, your password. You're going to put in all of this stuff right here. Okay, so you have all this information to put up. Now, I'm going to go ahead and fill out my information. But before I do, I want to go ahead and show you the purchase information. So right here, you have like different periods. So right here, the 12-month will give you enough time to decide if this is for you or not. And remember, you do get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you're not committed. You don't have to pay monthly. You're literally going to pay like 80 bucks for the entire year instead of paying $300 for every month. It's a very big difference. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out my information, and I'm going to go ahead and meet you on the next page. Now, also, before you get hosting, I want to let you know what these extra services are, and I really recommend that you get them. So the domain privacy protection will basically protect your personal information when someone tries to search you up on the internet. Just put yes, check, because if you don't, you're going to get all these guys from all these random countries. They're going to call you, and they're going to want to sell you stuff because they can see your information. So make sure you have the domain privacy protection on it. It makes most sense. And the SiteGround site scanner, I do recommend it, but you don't have to. It's completely optional. It basically scans your site every day for malware. And, it's 20 bucks a year, so I don't think it's that much money. But for those of you who are really on a budget and you're really dead broke, I totally get it. You can go ahead and skip it. And once you're done, you'll go ahead and click on this. And you're going to read to their terms of service. I know everyone's going to go ahead and read their terms of service, right? And their privacy policy as well. And then once you're ready, you'll click on Pay Now. Okay, so my account was just created right now. Now right here, I'm gonna go to proceed to customer area, and this is my customer portal. Now this is kind of where we're going to create our website. So you can even follow the actual wizard they have set up. So right here, it says start up a new website. And we're going to use WordPress. WordPress, if you don't know, it's like the ultimate drag and drop experience. It's super easy. Right here, just go ahead and put in your email. This is good in case you ever lose your password. Here, I'll put in admin, and then I'll just put in password. Okay, and then I'll put it in again. And then right here, I'll click on confirm. So right now, we're kind of just installing WordPress. I think right here, they want a larger name, so I'll put, I hate those things, how they want you to have something longer, you know? That's so annoying. So here, I'll click on confirm. And then right here, I'll just click on confirm. They're trying to ask me if I want that. I'm gonna say, no, thank you, no, next time, you know? And right here, I'll click on complete sign up, or agree to terms, and then complete setup. All right, so right now we are going, you know, it's installing our WordPress for us on our domain. And if you don't know about WordPress, it's actually growing in popularity more and more. Like 3 years ago, it was 25% of all internet websites it powered. Now it's 30%. So it's slowly getting up there to be the leader of making websites. So right here, your hosting account is ready to use. Proceed to customer area. All right. So I've actually, you know, this is my dashboard. Now right here, you have your billing, your support, your accounts, etc. But I'm gonna go to my accounts right here. I'm gonna go to my accounts. And you see this right here, fastest website right here, 567. Right here, just click on go to admin panel. And that same information that you put on the previous page, you're just gonna go ahead and put it on right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my information. All right, so this is my dashboard. Now this is basically your website. So over here on the top left, you can click on visit site, and this is your entire new website. This is live on the internet. So right now people can actually see it. They can come visit it. They can do all sorts of stuff to it. So over here, I'm gonna go to my dashboard right here, and we're gonna install a theme. Now themes are kind of like how WordPress works. You know, it's basically, you'll get the picture of it. So right here under popular, you can kind of see everyone has a different style. That's kind of how this works. Now we're gonna use the Astra theme, because the Astra theme, we get unlimited templates with it, and it's all for free. So right here under Astra, click on install and activate. Okay, so we've actually activated it. Now over here on the left side right here, you're gonna see that it says Astra options. Now click on Astra options, and right here it says importer starter website. Right here, install importer plugin. Now what plugins are, they're basically apps for iPhones, like kind of like how you have an app for this, an app for that. Same thing with WordPress. You know, you have an app for selling, you have an app for SEO, you have an app for contact forms, etc. So right here, see library, I'll click on that. And then right here, click on Elementor, and then simply just go ahead and upload a template. Now I used one previously in my past tutorial that I really liked, and it's gonna be this one right here. Or we can use a product landing page, that looks kind of nice too. But right here under agency, I'm gonna click on details and preview. Click on install plugins. So it's going to install all the necessary plugins for our website, such as the page builder, the contact form, etc. And right here, I'll click on import this site and click on OK. All right, now it is importing our website. And also, if you want to connect with more people who use WordPress, such as WordPress users or WordPress developers, or you just need help with WordPress, go to my website, wpfriends.com, where I'm going to be creating a social media network just for WordPress. Right now, you can sign up for free and get lifetime access for free. So go ahead and check it out, wpfriends.com. Okay, so the site is done. Right here, I'll click on Done View Sites. And voila, you have a 5-page website. So this is your home page. Beautifully designed, and then right here you have your About Us page. And you know, your clients can ask for this. I mean, if someone asks you to build a website, you can say, hey, here's $3,000, or charge them $3,000, and there you go. You have a brand new website, and you can charge them whatever price you want, and your clients will be very happy with this website because it's beautiful. Now, if you want to edit it, it's really simple. So over here on the home page, all you need to do is click on Edit with Elementor and kind of mess around with it. Now, I have a full tutorial on this specific page builder in the description below. So if you want to learn more about this page builder, you can with my video. So right here, you know, if you want to change something, you know, create your business websites. If you want to move this around, you can do that. Here, you can, instead of saying that, you'll say gallery. Oh, gallery, duh, silly. And you know, you can just kind of mess around with these options, etc. So right now you have a fully functional website. And I do have a tutorial on Elementor, this specific page builder, like that goes really in depth, like super advanced, in the description below. But for most people, you know, you can just kind of mess around with this, you know, drag and drop it. You know, if you want to change stuff, you can, you know, just do that, etc. It's really easy. Now, you're actually only paying $80 for the entire year. So you're going to save tons of money by not going to Wix and Shopify. I don't even know why people go to this website and just here's my money, just burn it, you know? Like $300 a month for a website is just, it's way too much. And you can do the same features for free with WooCommerce, with WordPress. You know, there's a selling platform. So yeah, so right now, I hope you're happy with your website. I was trying to get this done in under 10 minutes because I know a lot of people are very impatient. They want a fully functional website really fast and really simple. I hope this video was helpful. I really do. Make sure to like this video. If you have any questions for me about hosting or Wix or WordPress, feel free to put them in the comments below and I will get back to them right away. So again, my name is Darrell Wilson and I will see you in the next video. In fact, next video, I might make it under 5 minutes. We'll check it out. All right, I'll see you then.